Welcome to the new den and the new day. All right, I haven't measured it out yet, but if I get a chance to, I will put it on the screen. Let's see what we got over here. All right. I have not gone through what everything is, but there's some kind of controls over there. We'll check that out. We got a workbench down here. Some more shelving and storage. Panel over there. A lot of new electrical. Good news is the person who owns us, the couple that owns us, are electricians. So the wiring should be good. If you want to see something scary, well, first of all, let me show you this. Love this organization system here. If you know what this is, put it in the comments. I think it's pretty obvious, but oh, look at that old box. That'll give you some nightmares. Oh boy. So there's the front over there. That's interesting. So this is essentially the size of a 3-car garage is what I'm guessing, with some extra room. It's deeper than average. We got a pipe right here. There used to be a wood burning stove. Used to be is actually right there. And the kitchen stove next to it. This table's here so you don't walk into the pipe. All right, and we got a second room back here. We got some storage over there. Space here, a little lunch room right over there. So I'm figuring this is gonna be office kind of space, do some editing, that kind of stuff. As you can tell, we're only a few items moved in. We got a lot more to go. Let's take a look over here. The construction, you'll love the construction. That is boards on boards on boards, just piled high. There's nothing nuanced about it. All right, there's our work surface. For it is, somebody tried to put a top on it. That didn't work so well. All right, look at that security. Oh yeah, chicken wire, that's gonna be awesome. Anyway, a lot of fun things we can do here. How's the hand? Bella, what you doing? There's my bucket of wrenches. We got some storage up top and a ladder, stairway thing to get up there. Want to guess what we'd be hanging right here? Look, you can still see the fur on it. Well, there you go, folks. That's the new den. We're going to get set up here, and it's going to take a little longer than I hoped because, well, that stuff happened right there. Is making things a little messy. We got a foot of it in town. So it's a little chilly right now, isn't it? Anyway, let me know what you think about your ideas. What you think we should do here. If you got any kind of suggestions or anything, I'd be willing to hear it. Anyway, until next time, you all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on. That motorcycle isn't going anywhere. Make it hard to see past the snow. Welcome to snowy downtown Livingston. Just I thought, you know what? For those of you who aren't familiar with where our house is and where we live most of the time, thought thought I would share this. And yes, we do kind of backwards sometimes. We're here in the winter when we go to Vegas. We don't go to Vegas in the summer, but we'll go in the spring and the fall and sometimes the winter. Anyway, this is the big park on the left here along the railroad tracks, and they light this up nice. And there's the Christmas tree you can see over there on the left. If you're into fly fishing, you ever watched a river runs through it, stuff like that, well, Livingston's the place to go for fly fishing. That's Dan Bailey's. We just passed there on the right. The old hotel there. Mexican, decent Mexican, not amazing, but okay. The Livingston Bar and Grill. I've never had a meal there they actually got right. It's supposed to be fancy, supposed to be expensive. Nice if they could get it right. Oh, look at this. Downtown, the Mint, always a good place. The Stockman is not lit up. The Stockman closed tonight. Well, it is a Monday night, right? It is Monday. So a lot of places are going to be closed tonight. Whiskey Creek there on the left. Let me pull this off here. That's a pretty popular watering hole, and they have like a upstairs where they do music and stuff. Cafe was a Champion, whatever, Italian designer food. I don't know. You got to get a reservation there. It takes forever. Very shishi. Not my kind of place. Wolf's Mercantile. Oh, let me you gotta get a shot of this. You gotta give you the whole Christmas vibe here. Small town Christmas. You also got to call out our friend Dan over at Riverside Hardware. Best small town hardware store you've ever seen. Let's see what else we got. EK, a little bit of kitchen. That used to be a great place called The Sport. Now they did something terrible with it. I would have thought they would have plowed Main Street, but I guess not. They said that they're going to have equipment out for snow removal on Wednesday. It snowed last night, so 3 days for snow removal. We got O'Reilly's, and of course, our favorite secondhand store, Montana Roots. Anyway, there's your tour of downtown Livingston.